Howard!
Уходи, за собой закрой. Сколько бы я не просил, но ты же
Joey. Did you know? I didn't know it was him. I just did you know? Yes. This isn't gonna change what happened. I don't care. He killed my mom. He's my friend. So was I.